There we go. I don't know what you're going to be able to see here, but we're looking down in the hollow here, and off in the distance you can see I don't know what you call them, swirling winds with snow in them, and our bank is just drifted in. We got like a 2 foot drift out front, on top of 2 feet of snow that's already fallen, and the trees out here are all got covered in ice from the other day, and they look like silver diamonds. Well, not silver diamonds, but just look like glass actually. Look it off in the distance. I don't know how well you can see it. I can't zoom in with this kind of camera. And we're staring right into the sun, so that's a good one. And the birds are having a hell of a time getting into the feeders. They're getting blown right off course. She's a cold day in hell. We were going to go in the garage, and we had a whole bunch of wood that we had to get split, but we didn't bother going outside today. I don't even want to turn the heater on in the garage and go out there. We're going to take the wood that's outside, make a place for it inside the garage, and this new wood that we got, start stacking it up so it'll be nice and dry for next winter's wood. But it's beautiful out there just the same. You can't even see any tracks except for the old tire tracks. Just for some reason, you can see those tracks all year round, no matter how much snow's out there. Wow. Let's see if I can leave it here long enough so we can get some nice real swirly winds coming up here, and you'll love that. I got boots that go up to my knees, and it's over the tops of them now. Oh, there goes a little bird. We're sitting in the dining room here, and the sun is so bright that I put sunglasses on, and I had to put a ball hat on just to look out the window. It's neat. We're snowed in. We can't go anywhere. We gotta wait for the neighbor to come with the plow and blow us out. You know, and you shake your head when you look and you see how, you wonder how these animals manage to survive out there. And all they're doing is eating buds off of trees. Mind you, there's lots of trees, but it's just the same. Pretty small pickings. Buds aren't even, on these trees, aren't even near the size of like a bud on the end of a Q-tip. We're talking a tenth of that size. So there's got to be a lot of chewing to be able to eat one of them. All right, one more minute and we'll see if we can get ourselves a big wind here. We had some awful black, nasty looking stuff come through here a little while ago. You can see the wind blowing in the field, just moving the grass around. Here we go. We should have one coming here now. Boy, I bet you could toboggan right down to the end of that field almost. Have to get some kids up here and send them on their happy way. Well, I remember when I lived in northern Alberta, I used to love going out in that kind of weather. Going into the big city tomorrow. Get us one of them store-bought meals. Not going to be very good eating. Kind of hard to be inspired to cooking on minimum wage. Serving on minimum wage. Anyway. Too bright for me. Love you. Don't forget to subscribe and like it and leave a comment if you want. Cheers.